Ticker symbol SOUN, SoundHound AI. Join us today for a very special live event with live Q&A where you can ask live questions and have a full technical chart analysis done on this stock, finding the buy zones, the sell zones, the support lines, the resistance levels, so you are ready for the opening bell on Monday morning. This is an event you cannot afford to miss. The links are below in the description, also related to this short video, or you will find it in the profile of this content wherever you discover it. Join us today at 3 p.m. Central Time for a SoundHound special. Are you prepared for the opening bell? Good luck.